had such an amazing weekend. And Monday isn't so bad. We just don't have so much sun as we enjoyed.
Yeah, we've lost the sun. We did at one point have a couple of very light showers on the radar, but really not much going on at this point. Very quiet day, just a little breezy, a little cool, a little grayish, but not unusual for this time of the year. And as temperatures go, we're actually pretty much right where we expect those things to be. Looking outside across Lake Pepin, here's our Lewiston auto camera there. Gray skies dominant, and same deal as look to the south right now from CC Heights. Overcast as we look outside on this Monday with our Lewiston auto camera. 50 degrees in Rochester, typical high this time of the year, 52. So despite the extra cloud cover, we're very close to where we expect to be, if not maybe a little bit ahead of schedule. We'll tack on a few more degrees and get past 52 later on. 47 right now in Northwood, 46 in Charles City. So 50 degrees, kind of a cool breeze out there, 15 miles per hour. Air pressure is steady, 29.96 on the barometer. Gray skies had a couple of sprinkles early on. They've kind of fallen apart. A broader view of that, showing a storm system approaching from the west. We're going to see a few more showers pop up, especially southward in the area. That'll be where the best chances of rain lie today and tonight. And as we move along tomorrow, that storm system will trigger perhaps a stray shower or a thunderstorm in our area, but severe weather risk way south of us, very small risk for areas in parts of Illinois around Chicago. And for tomorrow's outlook, the day 2 outlook for Tuesday, severe weather risk down to the Quad Cities, a marginal risk there, much better chances toward Indiana and Ohio. For us, maybe a very small chance of a stray storm or two, but otherwise maybe a brief shower with that approaching cold front. But ahead of that front, we are going to enjoy some more of these warmer weather, warmer temperatures overall. High-res future track, we're looking at a couple of brief spotty light showers, very sparse activity, maybe a brief sprinkle, but that's what we'll be facing today and through at least midnight tonight. After midnight, things dry out for us, and we'll see maybe a break until midday tomorrow. Early afternoon, we'll have a slight chance of maybe 1 or 2 showers popping up along that approaching cold front. But ahead of that front, a lot of warmth building in for the plains across the Missouri Valley, across Iowa. 57 in Des Moines, 62 already in Sioux City, and 60 degrees in Sioux Falls. Some temperatures we will see maybe once in the next 7 to 10 days, because it does look like we're going to see cooler than average weather dominating the latter part of this week and perhaps the longer term, maybe next week as well. But 68 for tomorrow. Looking ahead at Wednesday, maybe a breezier, wetter day, and then we'll look at drier weather toward the end of the work week, but it's only 40s and lows in the 30s. So it'll be a little bit of a chillier environment for us going to the other end of the spectrum. Today, a little more seasonable, a couple of showers, breezy, warm tomorrow, very slight chance of a shower, and then later this week we're talking still those 40s heading into Easter weekend. So a spotty hit and miss showers today, temperatures around 55, staying close to 50 tonight. So one of the warmest nights we will have experienced in quite some time. Looking at some of those showers popping up here and there this afternoon into the evening. Best chance of rain then move out after midnight. We'll have a drier, grayer night, a brisk south breeze, temperatures close to 50. And then as that cold front comes through, we'll still manage a very mild afternoon, even though the front will have passed through, because a lot of warmth to start the day and a lot of sunshine. So after about 3 or 4, we're done with those rain chances, what sparse chances there are anyway. A breezy northwest wind up to 25 miles per hour, highs in the upper 60s going into Wednesday. Another front comes in. This is the one that's going to bring the colder air, though. This will reinforce that cooling trend. So low 50s there, periods of more widespread rain. That'll be the wettest day of the week, Wednesday. Behind that, gusty raw winds and chilly weather on Thursday and Friday, and then maybe a brief shower or two on Saturday before we dry out with only mid-40s by the time we get to Easter on Sunday. Temperatures there quite a bit cooler than the seasonal average for that particular weekend, but 10 degrees below average for Easter itself. 55 today, maybe a brief shower or two. Otherwise, just a breezy and seasonable afternoon with those southeast winds at times 18 or 19 miles per hour. Tonight, 48 degrees, spotty shower or two, but a pretty mild night by seasonal standards. Slight chance of a thunderstorm. Best chance of that would be North Iowa. A little more instability there, but not a severe storm by any means, and some sun, especially in the afternoon. 68 for your Tuesday. And again, looking at the 7-day forecast, we are going to enjoy some mild weather again for tomorrow, and then have temperatures mainly in the 40s, much cooler weather heading toward Easter weekend.
Thank you, Jen.